Hello, so I'll go by introducing myself. My name is Satoshi, a mentee of Samatochi. So I'm just starting out this my YouTube channel so that I can document my forex journey and also share my experience as a gold trader for upcoming traders so that they can learn from this channel too. So my main goal of opening this channel is to show and to share my experience on gold mainly because I only trade gold because my boss Samuel Tochi only deals on gold, so I only trade gold. So I will go on and teach and talk more about how to calculate tips on gold. So first of all, I will ask first of all what is pipette? A pipette represents the fractional of a pep. It has a value of 10 pips of 10 pipettes equal 1 pip. Example of a pipette. If gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.51, that 0.1 USD rise in value is 1 pipette. And if gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.52, that 0.2 USD rise in value is 2 pipettes. And if gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.53, that's 0.3 USD rise in value is 3 pipettes. And if gold also moves from 1890.50 to 1890.54, that's 0.4 USD rise in value is 4 pip and is 4 pipettes, sorry. And if gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.55, that 0.5 rise in value is 5 pipettes. If gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.56, that 0.6 rise in value is 6 pipettes. And if gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.57, that 0.7 rise in value is 7 pipettes. And if gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.58, that 0.8 rise in value is 8 pipettes. If gold moves from 1890.50 to 1890.59, that 0.9 rise in value is 9 pipettes and so on. So that's how you calculate pipettes on gold. Why if you want to calculate peps, this is how you do it. First of all, you want to ask what is a pep, a pip or a pip. Yeah, sure. What is a pip? A pip is the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. Because XAUUSD is a two currency, which is gold against the United States dollar. So that's a two currency. So the unit of measurement to express the change in value between these two currencies is what is known as a pep, a pip. So the example of a pip is that if gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.10, that 10 USD rise in value is 1 pip. And if gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.20, that 20 USD rise in value is 2 pips. If gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.30, that 30 USD rise in value is 3 pips. If gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.40, that 40 USD rise in value is 4 pips. If gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.50, that 50 USD rise in value is 5 pips. Always notice the change where gold moves from, the change, as in the change of that figure that gold moves from is actually the peak when calculating. So as you can see now, it's 1890.00 to 1890.50. As if you check the two values, the two numbers, you will see that 50 is the difference between the two numbers. So that's 50 that is different, which is the rise in value, is 5 pips. And if gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.60, that 60, which is the difference, USD rise in value is 6 pips. So if gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.70, that 70 USD rise in value is 7 pips. If gold now moves from 1890.00 to 1890.80, that 80 USD rise in value is 8 pips. And if gold moves from 1890.00 to 1890.90, that 90 USD rise in value is 9 pips. Then if gold moves from 1890.00 to 1891, you see now there is a big change in this one, to 1891.00. That's 100 USD from here to here now is 100. The change here now is this. The change in these numbers now is this 100, this different, this 100 here, the one and this 0 behind. So this is the 100. The change, if you notice, this one we are calculating, the previous ones we are calculating, the only change, the change occurs after this decimal point. The change occurs. This is just where the change, but in this case now, here the change now occurs in this zero. This zero, no longer this one. The zero before the decimal point. That's where the change occurs. So that 100 USD rise in value is known as 10 pips and so on. So guys, that is how you calculate pips on gold. So you guys, if you are new in this channel, just subscribe. So because I will be dropping more educational content like this. My next video is I'm going to be talking about how to plot your psychological levels on gold. Yes, which is your random numbers, your psychological levels on gold. That's what my next content is going to be. So thanks guys for turning up, because that is what calculating pips on gold is exactly what I wanted to discuss today, because this is my first day. I will keep on posting educational video on this YouTube channel. If you are new, you can just subscribe, click the notification button, the like button to stay tuned, because I will be dropping more educational content back to back. Once again, it's your boy Xauusd. Thanks for turning up. S Nation FX. Thanks you guys. Thanks. The grinding is really good.